What you can see. But another
One.
so here's a sneak peek of the things that I got. Morning guys. Okay, so today is Tuesday. And I now get a package from websource. So I said I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna show you what in it because I want to do a haul. I got a package from Zara. Period. As I was saying, so my father not comment, but anyways, I ordered some stuff from Zara. It actually came into they actually split the order into two packages. So one package have just a pair of pants, and then the next package had everything else. It's 6 things I ordered, so I get the box with the 5 things. So I just waited for the parcel to come. It should come maybe like Thursday, but I want to you're gonna see everything in the Zara haul coming up sometime. But I just want to show you guys the package. This is so exciting. And tell already weight. So I think the weight was £3 and I paid $403 to clear. So I just want to put that in there. I was trying to put it to the end of the Zara haul to find anybody who's from Trinidad watching. Just so to have an idea, and I just use web source. So it take about 2 weeks to come, but normally this come in a week and a half, but because of the holidays and everything, I feel like it might take a little bit longer. But yeah, just want to put that in here. I must have thing right now. Open it. So excited. So good.
One.
So here's a sneak peek of the things that I got. So stay tuned for the haul. Get to see everything. Okay, guys, I'll come back again. I just want to show you guys my sister's nails. So I'll have she link down below. Yes, well, her Instagram link down below. It's called Zayomayo. It's called Zayomayo.the.label. Okay, so like Zayomayo the label. So I have it on the screen and I have it linked down below. But I want to show you guys she packaging. So there's some nails she did for a client, and this is so cute. So make sure and check Zan out, check she out, and buy some of this. She do all different kinds, custom, whatever you want, she will do it for you. And the price is very much good. And time you see me with nails on, I mean I don't have nails on nobody. Time you see me with nails on, she will do it. Even toes, and she's do press on nails, and she's do press on toes as well. So come on, get it together. Okay, so just want to show you guys the nails. So cute. So yeah, we're gonna take some promo pictures for her, post on Instagram. So hi guys, I'm not finished yet. I'm kind of excited because I know that's what I'm saying, like I don't go nowhere, but actually we're going to baby shower tomorrow for a friend from high school. But me and my friend had a film session name on it, so I just wouldn't say it for now. But me and my friend from school keep in touch, you know, here and there, and she's been a baby. So I'm going to baby shower tomorrow. Like so excited. I just can't wait to get ready. So how do I kind of like get ready with me to go the baby shower? I can't wait to do that so I can get ready to go there and show them what I'm wearing. Excuse me, everything like that. So yeah, I want to check in. Not much going on today. Rain is falling whole day. Since like about 2 days now, rain falling like every day, whole day, kind of off and on. So the place is real dark and gloomy. So that kind of hopefully not so tomorrow to go, but either way it's an enclosed place, so whatever. So yeah, I just can't wait to go. Me and my sister are gonna be going together, so me and myself, so yeah. I can't wait so long. Hopefully I can carry you guys along, hopefully like show them like vlog it. I'm trying to show too much, but it's not like it was in she house or anything, so hopefully she will let me vlog it, hopefully. I can't wait. So that's all going on right now. There's really nothing is going on. That's what on YouTube videos. If you're looking for our next Trinidad YouTuber, I mean you probably already know she because she have like a very amount of subscribers. Her name is the Living Dolly Chanel. I like you're obsessed with watching she right now. Like I've been watching all she videos right now. And the next person who like so good, like if you're looking for aesthetic, like giving America, like giving Octavia B, giving like real bougie vlogs. But still in Trinidad, look up our link down below. I think it's officially Michelle. Oh my god, like she vlogs. I aspire to have vlogs like she vlogs. Like she's so bougie, she's such a vibe. Like I just look up to she so much, and like I just take a lot of advice from her and take a lot of like what she doing and try to implement it, because she's like literally a vibe. So I'll link to one of them down below. Chef's kiss. But yeah, so I just gonna go back to watching some $11 now. Check back in if anything exciting. So my mom just came home from work and look what she brought for me. Yep. Makeda, you had to be real dumb. Okay. Too much things happening. Oh shucks. So I literally gave him a fix of kiss cake. It's sad, but I literally obsessed with it. It's like the key to my heart. Okay. Okay guys, so I had to tell you now getting ready to go with the baby shower. So I just doing my edges. I don't know if you can see anything, but I'm not a big edges person, so honestly, don't laugh at me. But I try not to. I try not to. Oh my gosh. My edges is literally the most stubborn things ever. They literally never listen to me. So how do they expect this to stay? We shall see. I'm using this. I didn't say that actually work to hold my hair, to be honest. So I'm gonna be now after this, but I want to tie it down. It's actually about we're supposed to leave in the next like 2 hours, so I have time. But you know how if you know you know to do your hair like a good way in advance, so when you tie it down you can have time dry and stay a little better. I like how this does look. It's kind of like that thing. I don't even know what you can see, but another tell you, my hair literally defies me every time. Okay, I look. I guess I don't know. My hair already raising up like.
I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro.
Built for it, because I've seen you in action, which is big boxes, you cubes, doing your stuff all puffed up with your belly and still going. I don't know where you get all that energy from, but we have it. So that's expected, baby. So baby, we are all here for you, and you're not in this alone. Alright?
you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh.